Jingle bell.
Hey y'all, I am just chilling. It is currently, what time is it? I look a hot mess, but it's okay. 3:37, and I am eating some fruit, some berries. Today's berry day. Mimi's babies just left. Let's see if I can sit this up. I don't know her name. It is on me. Let me see if I can get my mic. Get my mic. The mic is the mic on? What does that say? DJ transmitter and 10% battery. So I gotta turn that on to get 10% so the mic might go off. But I'm just chilling, y'all. I was editing yesterday and I had my headphones on. I took them off, I broke them. I broke one side. Today I broke the other side. So my headphones is taped up. But good thing is I listened to my husband, and yesterday he told me to buy me some more. Just order you some more. Usually I say no, but I went ahead and ordered me some more, and they came the same day. Yeah. So I have some more headphones, and I ain't got to be looking ridiculous. I'm supposed to be going to Sam's Club to get me some more fruit, some more berries, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we got some watermelon. That's the alarm. Hopefully they have some watermelon. So I got me some watermelon for the next 6 days. I don't know if my watermelon is going to last, but I hear a car door. Hold on, y'all. Let me see who else there. That's Kroger. That Kroger delivery for the neighbors. I forget Kroger do. I'm gonna try Kroger. It done lost me. It done lost me. All right. I want to try Kroger delivery. Also, what I want to do, y'all, after Christmas, I don't know. I need to order now. I need to get my dresser organized. I saw these little cute organizers and stuff on Amazon I want to get. To like hang up my shades and perfume and stuff. Organize my dresser because can't nothing fit up there. I got everything packed up there. But, yeah. I want to do another whisper vlog. But I am going to go to Sam's Club in a little while. And yeah. So we decided that we are having a Christmas breakfast. Breakfast brunch. But now we're trying to figure out if we're going to open the presents first and then eat the breakfast, or eat the breakfast then open the presents. I think we should open the presents then cook. And my husband is making omelets. His omelets is the best omelets. The best omelets. The best. So That's gonna be real good considering I just be coming off my fast. And got one more week to go after that. Yeah. I was just coming to check on y'all and see what y'all doing. Cause I ain't doing nothing. I've been real lazy. Real lazy. Real lazy. I'm so happy I got these things, y'all. And I kept them. I ain't know nothing. I ain't know nothing. But I ain't really want to talk about nothing. I was just checking on y'all. Seeing what y'all up to. Turn this iPad off. Yeah. I still can't believe it. Christmas is next week, and after that is a whole new year. 2026. 2026 is here, y'all. It sure is. This is the first time I'm eating today. And I ain't drink none of my water. Y'all see my water? This is all the water I drunk today. So I'm behind. But I ain't want none. Y'all finna finish eating this fruit. And then I just get ready to go to the store. Come back home. Tomorrow my last day, so I guess I'm gonna prep it up for one more day. And I don't know, y'all. I don't know, y'all. But all right, y'all. I didn't even open up the blog. I didn't open it up. It's okay though. Welcome back to the vlog, my blueberries and my berry babes. If you're new here, I'm Heather. Yeah, I ain't even opened it up. But yeah, y'all know me. But yeah, just welcome back to the vlog. This is day 19. Day 19, y'all. Woo, 10 more days to go. We get this countdown. I'm really enjoying doing this. I am. It's tough, but I'm enjoying doing it. But yeah, I'm liking it. There's my phone ringing. Hello? You finna I forgot your tablet.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling them that myself. I was like, that's what I knew. I forgot something. Your tablet.
Yeah, okay.
I'm about to come back down there, ma.
Okay, I see Kroger delivering groceries next door.
Yep. Sure, yeah.
Okay.
I need to call them myself.
That's what I said. I said I'm gonna try them because they keep giving me free stuff if I do delivery with them, and I like Kroger.
Yeah, that's good. When we get stuff delivered from Kroger, it'd be nice. But whenever we get something delivered from Walmart,
I already know.
Rotten, smushed. It's something.
Mm-hmm.
Or you don't.
Okay, y'all. It is now 5:11. I know I just talked to y'all a couple seconds ago. but it's 5:11 p.m. I am about to, y'all know today is my berry day. I just came from Sam's Club. I had to get me some berries, strawberries. They did have watermelon. Take me through that. They have a watermelon, so I'm hoping that it's sweet. But if it ain't sweet, I don't care. So I'm making everybody else some food. I'm putting back some green beans that's left over. Let's see how much green beans in there, cause that'll let me know. I don't know what this is, and something is leaking. No, that's tomatoes. That needs to get washed. But I'm trying to see if there's some more green beans. Is this green beans? Yep, that's green beans. So I can make them some potatoes, or I think it's some rice in there, because I ain't eating no rice. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll make them some rice. Let me see. Let me look up here. If I got 2 of these, I got 2 Spanish rices on the Spanish rice. Yep, I'm gonna make that for them, and some green beans. That's what I'm gonna make. And then I'm gonna have my berries. Make my trays. Put this chicken, and it's fried chicken, but it's not cooked, but I'm not frying. I'm just putting it in the oven. I put this up and I didn't even use it, y'all. Y'all didn't tell me I ain't use it. So that's what I am about to do. I know y'all probably sick of me doing my berries. You know, getting them prepped and everything, even though I was a little bit pissed off because last time I lost the footage of the last, so I'll probably just show y'all the footage of the last when I get everything together. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But right now I'm about to go ahead and put this chicken. I gotta wash all of these off. It's some frozen chicken, to be quite alright. Chicken wings that I think is froze together. It'll be quite alright. So put these chicken wings in there. I'm gonna do that Spanish rice and some green beans, and that's good. So alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Put that on in the oven. And I'm about to go ahead and start getting my fruit rinsed off, washed off, rinsed off, whatever you want to call it. I'm just so happy that what they had a watermelon, and I still have 1 watermelon rind left that I'm snack on that while I'm doing my fruit. So I'm about to go ahead and do this, y'all. Get the stuff washed off and all that other good stuff and this, that, and that, and then I'll come back to y'all in a second. Plus, I think I want to play some music. Y'all know I gotta have my gospel music playing. I do that. That's my encouragement. That's my strength, and I need it. Ain't nothing going on. It feels good. So I'm about to turn on my music. I need to drink some water because I'm nowhere near. It's 1 p.m. and I need to be drinking 2 of these. It's at 1 p.m. and it's now 5. But anywho, y'all, I'll pick y'all up in a little bit, okay? Let me go ahead and start getting this stuff together. I'll be right back. I got watermelon juice already on me. Alright. Not so good. I got the watermelon and see how pink it is. It's not red. It's not ripe and it's real hard to cut. But when I taste it, it's sweet. It's real hard, but it's real sweet. But I think I'm still gonna eat it, and I got the biggest watermelon. I should never was being greedy trying to get the biggest one. But it's actually really sweet though. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish cutting it up. I'm still gonna add it to my food prep trays or whatever, but yeah, it's just I didn't pick a good one and it's not ripe. I should have never known. But like I said, it's a watermelon in December with respect. At least it's sweet though, right? All right, I'm about to get over here and finish cutting it up, finish getting everything prepared. I just need to check in and let y'all know. That was a fail. This time was a fail. It was a major fail. But it's still sweet though. That's the crazy thing about it. It's still really sweet. And usually the watermelon just sliced real easy, and it's not slicing because it's still, I guess it's not ripe. It's not ripe, so I'm having a hard time cutting it too. But I just wanted to check in and let y'all know what was going up on the watermelon that I spent $10 on. That's in December. See how that sound, y'all? But it's tears with the tears. I knew I wasn't gonna get it perfect, so. All right, let me finish cutting this up, y'all. It's real sweet though. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm not gonna even lie. It's real sweet. So, all right, let me get back to cutting because I still got a lot of stuff to do. I'm just about finished with this fruit, y'all. I'm very disappointed in the watermelon, but it's okay. It's alright. It's okay. I got strawberries, so it's okay. I'm going to, it's 6:45. I'm gonna put these in the containers over there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and after that, I gotta hold in my glove. After I do that, put these in the containers, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rice started on for them. I told y'all I'm making, I had the green beans, but I'm making some rice-a-roni, good old rice-a-roni. This don't taste like the real Spanish rice, but it'll do for now. I'm gonna make that, the green beans, and they have some oven fried chicken in there, so that's that. Yeah, I got this whole big old thing of watermelon that's not good, but it's alright. My trash looking a little bit full, but that's okay too. It's 6:45, and that's okay too. And that's okay too. I gotta drink some water. I haven't even drank 1/4 of the amount I'm supposed to drink. But I'm gonna do this, finish getting dinner finished, get in the shower, and then I'll probably get back. I am gonna get back on y'all because we have to do our word of it. I will get back with y'all because we have to do our word of the day, and it's the 19th day. So yeah, that's that. And I'm about to go ahead. I'm feeling so comfortable when I get out the shower. Also, I gotta make some phone calls too, so before it gets too late. I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting these in the containers, and I'll be back because this rice gonna take some time. The rice probably gonna be like 30 minutes once I saute it, and then that's gonna be like 35 minutes. Let me check on this chicken and see what it's doing. All right, I probably gotta turn that over. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna turn that chicken over. Finish getting this done. Cook the rice. Warm up the green beans because I told y'all that is leftovers. We just putting the meal together, making the meal. And I get in the shower and I hit y'all back up later. Make sure y'all answer the phone. Make sure y'all answer the vlog. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all give a thumbs up if you like. Make sure you share if you like. If you like the different content that I'm doing, make sure you give me a strawberry. I ain't seen no strawberries and no berries in the comments. I guess y'all ain't feeling it, but it's okay though. It's alright. But if y'all want me to do something else, or what's y'all favorite type of videos that I make? How about that? Alright, y'all. Let me go ahead because it's getting late and I'm getting tired. For the Spanish rice, I needed tomatoes, 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. I only had 2 tomatoes, so we gotta make it do what it do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to add some, I don't have no chicken broth. Do I have some chicken broth? Let me turn this down. Because it says undrained, so I'm pretty sure that it needs the juice for it. So I'm just gonna dice these tomatoes up, check and see if I have some chicken broth. trash need to be took out, and I don't think I had none. Hey Rico, maybe you can help me out. Take this trash out. Do I have some chicken broth? I don't have no chicken broth. I sure don't. So I'm gonna have to make it do what it do, add some more water to it, and add these tomatoes to it. Make it do what it do. I had some chicken broth cubes, so I just add that water to it. You know how you make it do what it do, so I can have a little juice and do that and do that. So when you ain't got it, you gotta make it do what it do. That's part of when you're a mother or wife, and you gotta make it do what it do. All right, y'all. Let me get these diced up. Y'all can see we have these over here. I'm about to get ready to get them filled all up. I have the fruit over here on the table. We're gonna go ahead and get that filled up. Even the watermelon, we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. The rice is done. The chicken is done. I'm just warming up the green beans so I can get that stuff situated. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and we're gonna start off with the watermelon, and we're gonna put the watermelon into the big tray. I'm gonna put the watermelon into the big tray. So I'm gonna start off with the watermelon. Look at it, it's kind of dry, but it's sweet. It's crunchy, but it's sweet. It's real sweet. If it wasn't sweet, I would have tossed it. So we're gonna start off with the watermelon. Take some chunks of watermelon and put it in there. We're gonna try to divide it evenly because we have 6 trays. I'm just gonna go down the line and just start off with a handful. Actually, some more can fit in this one. I think I cut up just enough this time again. My measurement skills be on point. Okay. Put that into bucket number 3, 2, whatever number it is. Got these blueberries. I'm gonna start down here with the blueberries. Grab a handful of those and put it into that. That blueberry is still on the stand, though. That's it. I might just put the strawberries. We're gonna put some of these with the watermelon. Be looking like. And I still have to add raspberries and blackberries. So that's what we're about to do next. Let's go ahead and just sit this here. And we're gonna grab some blackberries. Just let them get in where they fit in. They're gonna put the blackberries here because those raspberries. Gotta make sure I be able to close the top on there because I don't want to smash my fruit. Well, all my raspberries fit, y'all. Yep, except one for me. We got our 6 trays, even though we only got one more day left. But, you know, I'm off. I still haven't completely decided if I was going to do 1 day or 2. But I think I'm just going to do the 2 days so I can just finish it out. And hopefully the fruit stays fresh for 2 days. So I'm going to go ahead and put the tops on there. And then what did I do with this here? Clean up my mess. I still got blueberries left. Give my husband his plate so he can eat. Take my shower. Come back so we can do our word of the day. I don't want that one smashed too badly. Here, one more. One more. One more. Uno más. All right. So here we go. There we go. We got our 6 trays. I'm so happy that I got these now. I'm so happy. So happy. So we got our food trays. I'm going to put these up. It's kind of late, so I don't think I'm going to be eating nothing because it is 7:39. I think I do just probably sip on my water. But there we go, our trays. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the fridge. Clean up my mess I got over here, y'all. Yes, I got a mess. And the rice is done. The chicken is done. And make the plates. So go ahead and get that taken care of. Clean this mess up. Make the plates. I'll see y'all after I shower, and we can get right into our word of the day. We got to get into it. Get into the word of the day, our encouraging word. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and handle this business. Clean up this mess because I don't like my kitchen looking like this. I am extremely relaxed. I am super duper relaxed. I just got out of the shower. Yeah. So it's kind of late for me. It is 9:38 right now. Y'all, 9:38. And I'm just relaxed. Hubby is up there gaming and doing whatever he do. See, y'all know what he do. He do what he do. So y'all gonna hear something, some cursing, some hollering, something. So I'm just letting y'all know it is what it is. Whew. I don't know why I feel so tired. I don't know. I'm hoping that I'll be able to do good on these back to back. Even though it's nothing, it's just 3 days and then 2 days and 3 days. I'm talking about my fast or whatever. You know, today is the first day of the berries and the watermelon or whatever. Kind of disappointed about the watermelon, but it's alright. It was still sweet. It just was hard. But yeah, y'all. Let me check on see what my video doing. Today I put the video up at 6 o'clock instead of 7. Y'all know I'll be putting that video up whenever I put it up, but usually it's between 6 or usually it's between 7 and 10. I'll be trying to get it up. But I want to see what it's doing. I just want to see. Well, I had 6 views in 3 hours. 6 views. I don't know. It is what it is. But I know people trying to get Christmas shopping out the way. I don't know. My husband's loud, and I got this oil on my face. I think it's making me even more hotter. But yeah, I just wanted to cause yesterday I don't even think I closed the video out. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do the word of the day so we can close the video out properly. Yeah. I ain't want my chest all open, but the way this mic setup is making it do like that. All right, y'all. So let me find it. My weigh-in coming in. I get to weigh in on Saturday, y'all. I sure do. I get to weigh in. I was 170. What was I, y'all? 173 or 172? Let me go look and see. I know I was supposed to be doing something else. Let me see. My last weigh-in. I was 173.
Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Babe! Babe! I thought I closed the door. All right. So y'all was 173.6. I was 173.6. Yeah. So let's see what was happening with this Saturday. See what we do. Y'all know our goal is 165. Yeah, 165. So we like 8.8 pounds away from my goal weight. Yeah, we'll see how that go. We'll see how that go. But today is day 19. Day 19 of our VLOGMAS Discipline December. Yeah. So we're in Proverbs again. This time we're on Proverbs 4:25. Proverbs 4:25. I gotta have my word of the day. And I like to share it with y'all so we can, talk about it. Let me see. Can I pull this down? Okay. Now it went down a little bit. All right. Let's see. Y'all ready? All right. So Proverbs 4:25 says, "Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you." To stay focused. When it all said and done, stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Yeah. So that was pretty. That sums it up. There, you gotta stay focused. Stay focused. Let your eyes look straight ahead. Because if you look around you, it's gonna look like all kind of crazy stuff, and it's gonna get you off your target where you're trying to go to. So stay focused. Fix your gaze directly before you. Stay focused. That's Proverbs 4:25. I'm pretty sure my focus was focused. Stay focused. Don't turn to the left or the right. Yep. Reduce distractions. So if anything is distracting you, then don't do it. Don't go that way. Stay focused on No matter if it's staying focused on God, if it's staying focused on your whatever your goal is, you stay focused on it. Don't look that way. Don't look that way. Don't do it. That's really gonna throw you off because that's what the enemy want to do is throw a distraction your way. So you off focus. You off what you trying to accomplish. But yeah, y'all, that's our word for the night. I don't know. I'm just tired. I don't know if it's there I go twisting and flipping in this chair like a baby. I don't know if it's let me turn this a little bit. I don't know if it's the just because eating, or if it's I don't know if I'm just tired. I don't know. But tomorrow is one of Mimi's baby's birthday, so I want to tell you happy birthday, Boonks. We call them Boonks. That's what we call them, Boonks. This plan is in a way, but I don't know. Sorry, I think usually I'll be more that way. But happy birthday, Boonks. So he got a cake and cupcakes, and he's so funny because he told my daughter that he was bringing cupcakes. She was going to public store pick up the cupcakes or whatever and the cake, and he told his mom that he wants vanilla cupcakes and chocolate is his favorite. But for all the kids that want chocolate, they're gonna have to pay him for those chocolate ones. That was so funny to me. But they coming over here. We're gonna sing happy birthday. Y'all know, if y'all seen that on the other channel, y'all seen how we do the Ross family channel. How we do we sing our happy birthday. So you're gonna come over here. The funny thing is he don't even be that loud when I don't be up there. But when I'm recording, then he get loud. I don't know if it's because I'm recording or I ain't in the room no more. He could feel like he could just go ahead and let loose. But anywho, yeah, my daughter said she's gonna get pizza tomorrow, and y'all know my favorite is pizza, so I'm gonna have to resist distractions. I have to stay focused. But whew, I might save me a piece of pizza to the next day. Oh boy. I only got 3 more. Well, after this, then I had 2 more weeks. So I'm going to do the double, the other one, and 2 days later, the fast again. Then I only got 1 more. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, that I'm down to my goal weight. That I made it to my goal weight. Yeah, I think I messed my nail up. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go lay it down. Because I got to get up early in the morning. Mimi's babies will be here tomorrow morning, so I'm about to lay it down. Get some rest. Yeah. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. So, yeah. Sorry I'm a little bit of down or whatever. I'm not really down. I don't know. I just feel tired. I don't know, y'all. But, I'm about to lay it down. I'm about to go lay down. I'm about to go relax. I'm about to get comfortable. Drink my water. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I will see my boo babes. I will see my berry babes and my boo berries tomorrow. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Y'all gonna be there. Y'all gonna meet me. Y'all gonna meet me over here. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me, watching me, listening to me. Yeah. Thank y'all for subscribing. And again, I love y'all. Get y'all some good night's sleep and stay focused. Remove them distractions, whatever that's distracting you from your goal that you're trying to meet, whatever purpose that you're trying to strive for. cut it off, stay focused, remove the distractions. I love y'all. Good night. See you tomorrow for day 20. Yes, day 20.